Why do I not like the girls that like me? Why do I keep turning away good women who actually like me and instead chasing the wrong type of girls just because they're hotter? That's literally it. There's a few girls that are circulating around my vicinity at the moment. There's like 3 or 4 of them here in Miami in particular. And they're lovely girls. And they're pretty hot too. And they like me. And they want to take things to the next level. Why do I feel like when they like me, I'm not that interested? And I'm interested in something that's not necessarily interested in me. Or something that's just better or hotter. I think I'm stuck in the hedonistic trap, or I'm stuck in some kind of circular trap. And I must be aware of this. And I must act upon it. Otherwise, I'll potentially end up with no life partner because I was chasing something that wasn't actually good for me. When what I really wanted and what was good for me was right there in front of me the whole time. That's what I think we miss out on. Maybe the best things in my life and the best partners that have come across me have already come across me. I'm clearly aware of that. Clearly aware of that. I have walked away and abandoned many women that loved me and that were obsessed with me. To instead do what? To keep traveling the world, to keep sleeping with other women, to keep building the business. You know, I turned down the idea of a couple of girls that really, really loved me, actually. They really did. And I liked them, but I didn't love them back. So what else did I need in that interaction for it to work? Because the girls that I've loved in the past and been in love with were never compatible for me. I had 2 relationships. One was a crazy relationship with a girl from Vancouver, beautiful blonde girl with beautiful blue eyes. She was a raving feminist. That one didn't work very well with me, given my love and support for masculinity. But either way, the point is that you need to find love and compatibility. And I'm finding it harder to find love in today's day and age. I really am. I've got these girls that are obsessed with me. They're floating around. There's like 2 or 3 of them at the moment, and they're good girls. They're nice girls, and I could take it to the next level, but I've just not been interested. I haven't really hit them back much, and I haven't tried to take things to the next level with them. Why do I want something that doesn't want me back? What am I chasing? That's what I'm trying to figure out in my life. Am I someone that has too many options? Is that what the problem is? Do I have the same problem as some of these women? You know, you see some of these women here in Miami, these hot girls. I was just with a chick actually this evening. I was DJing and chilling with her, drinking some wine. And her phone, the amount of messages that she had on her phone, the amount of options that she had, text from all these different guys, just today alone was shocking. Scary how many options this girl had. She left my place and definitely went off to someone else's, that's for damn sure. Endless options in a myriad of madness over here in Miami for these innocent young girls who are getting corrupted by men and by society and by the way of life around here. But back to the point at hand, I don't know what I'm looking for anymore. I feel like I've had good girls in my life. They've come across me. I've really got on with them, and I'm sort of searching for something else when really the good girls are all there in front of me. There's a bunch of them, and I could pick one, and I could really push it and give it a shot and go for it and try and say, listen, I pick you. That's all I've got to do. I just got to pick it. I pick you. Let's go ahead. But it's like I'm searching for love again. I think I'm searching for love, and everyone's searching for love. And you want to fall in love with someone, you want the chemicals, and you also want them to be compatible. And I either have one or the other. I either have compatibility and no love, or I love them and there's no compatibility. So I'm waiting for the stars to align on this one. Or I may have just got it wrong. Who knows? I might get it wrong. I mean, I believe I'm a man of experience and I'm smart enough to have conviction in my decisions. But I could be wrong. I'll sit here and say I could be wrong. I could have picked one of the girls in the past and settled down and had a good life. Instead, I'm chasing, and who knows? Maybe I'll just be this single bachelor for many years to come. Because what was really in front of me was actually good for me. But I was out there chasing something that didn't even exist.